Hi everyone, my video today is what you need to know and tips to prevent you being stuck in the middle of a junction like this. First, we're going to watch it all play through. We'll then re-watch again and analyse. So, what could have been done differently? From here, due to the car near the lights and the fact that they were able to hold a steady speed, I know that the lights have been green for a while, increasing the likelihood of it going amber as I approach. This is known as a stale green light. It's always a good idea to check behind you once you've identified a stale green light. This will help you to slow down and stop should the light change to amber. This is how far away the car was when the light changed to amber. Do you think there was enough room for the car to stop safely? So, due to there being nothing behind, I believe the car could have stopped, but I also completely understand why the driver thought it safer to continue through, as it would have been quite a harsh brake. This is where the driver first starts braking. Of course, I can only really guess, but I don't feel that this driver was expecting the light to change. Some traffic lights, even fresh, never mind stale, can change from green really quickly, so it's important to prepare for it. From here, they are very close, and as we see later, they do get through the amber light before it turns red, so continuing through was absolutely fine. Now, if we look into the highway code, it states that red means stop. Wait behind the stop line on the carriageway. Where is the stop line? Right here. As this car has passed beyond the stop line, it is important to clear the junction. Otherwise, you risk being in the way of other streams of traffic that will then get a green light, like these. This is a wide junction, so there is still room. It does make it trickier for traffic to get into the right-hand lane though. If this were to happen elsewhere, such as at a crossroads, you would definitely be impeding traffic and becoming quite a major hazard. So, if you've stuck about this long, firstly, thank you, and here's a few points just to finish off. A green light will change, whether it's fresh or stale. Be prepared for when it does by checking behind you in good time. It's important to know that you're being tailgated early. Also, hold a steady speed in the approach. Next, if you do cross the stop line, it's important to clear the junction. Thank you again so much for sticking around. Please like, share and leave a comment, and watch out for my next clip. Cheers.